Listen up, I'm bringing the hardcore truth about gold IRAs. So you want safety from bankster greed and stock market smoke and mirrors? Of course you do. Well, the answer is real physical gold tucked away in your own account. But I know, you've heard the rumors. Is it really possible for a gold IRA to earn interest? Well, it's time to cut through the noise and take control of your financial destiny, and fortune favors the bold. So you ready to saddle up? Let's do this. The interesting truth about gold IRAs begins right now. There's a whole world of little known advantages to gold IRAs that many people just gloss over. I'm going to pull back the curtain for you today. Now, a warning, this could profoundly shift how you think about your financial future going forward. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive deep into the world of gold IRAs. Let's get started. First off, what is a gold IRA exactly? At its core, a gold IRA is simply an individual retirement account, or IRA, that allows you to hold physical gold and precious metals directly. Now, you may already have traditional IRAs that contain assets like stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and those have value for sure. But unfortunately, those types of assets can be vulnerable to inflation, market volatility, and economic disasters in a way that gold and precious metals are not. Let me explain. You see, throughout history, gold has been universally recognized as real money with intrinsic value. No matter what happens with governments, central banks, or financial systems, gold can maintain its purchasing power over the long term. That's because gold has limited supply and requires immense effort to extract. Dollars, on the other hand, can be printed by governments, which can lose purchasing power through inflation. This is why, when markets crash, gold often can rise and acts as a haven asset to protect wealth. For example, during 2008, when stocks lost over 50% in value, gold gained a whopping 25%. A gold IRA provides the diversification that bonds, stocks, and funds in conventional IRAs simply cannot offer. But here's the first major fact about gold IRAs that you may not have heard. A gold IRA isn't solely limited to physical gold. Yes, you heard that right. When most people hear about gold IRAs, they naturally assume it means only physical gold bullions and coins. But here's an astonishing fact about gold IRAs that advisors don't want you to know. A gold IRA allows you to hold physical silver, platinum, and palladium bullion too. This little-known provision gives you far more diversification, upside potential, and options to hedge against inflation. You see, silver and the platinum group metals each have their own independent cycles. So when gold happens to be in a down cycle or plateau, silver or platinum could be surging ahead. Additionally, high-quality physical silver can be more affordable for the average investor compared to gold bullion. When gold hits $1,800 per ounce and silver near $20 per ounce, it can be far more attainable on a working man's budget. Now, one idea is that precious metals in a gold IRA do not earn interest or dividends like bonds or stocks might. And the truth is, well, that's correct. They do not. And that's great news, because you can either collect a paltry interest payment from your bank, pennies on the dollar dividend from a billion-dollar company, or you can own an asset that could surge higher should the markets break down. You following me here? Because gold IRAs are intended for long-term stability and growth through all business and market cycles. The interest from savings accounts or CDs does little to grow retirement savings. But if gold and silver investments increase 25 to 50% while stocks fall, those gains are far more meaningful than small interest payments. The key is to focus on long-term growth and protection, not modest yields. That's the real value of gold IRAs, helping build and safeguard wealth over time. So who should you trust to help? Well, I'm a little biased, but when you do your own research, you'll find Goldco is likely your ideal option. With over $2 billion in precious metals placements under their belt, 5,000 plus 5-star reviews, and a full team of professionals and experts, they've got this table covered. Thousands have already pulled up a seat and doubled down on their retirement with a Gold IRA from Goldco. But is it your turn to be dealt a winning hand? When you tap the link below, Goldco is offering you a free Gold IRA kit shipped straight to your doorstep. This is insider information on navigating the Gold IRA world, a treasure map to future stability. So if you have any interest in protecting your nest egg with the power of gold, this is a rare chance you need to seize right now. Equipped with this coveted guide, it's possible you'll not just survive, but thrive in the high-stakes world of Gold IRAs. So you ready to cash in on your free Gold IRA rollover kit and start securing your future? Don't leave this life-changing opportunity on the table. Simply click on the link below or call Goldco today. Make your move, seize your golden opportunity. Tap the link below now.